Pinoy Credit Pampanga.
Hi po, good afternoon. In behalf of 3MJ Marketing Services, we would like to greet you happy birthday, Attorney Bebs, sa aming very humble and napakagandang attorney. Thank you for your love and kindness sa aming team. You deserve all the good things in life. Stay blessed po and of course, good health. Thank you so much and we love you so much po, Attorney Bebs and sa buong MLC family. Thank you!
Happy birthday po, Attorney. More birthdays to come. Wish you good health and good things in life. Happy birthday po again. Salamat po.
Attorney, happy birthday po. Wishing you a blessed and meaningful day at enjoy niyo po yung inyong araw at sana po bigyan kayo ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay at ipapasalamat po kayo mga ahente sa inyo dahil lagi niyo po kaming ginaguide at see to it na we are family. Talaga pong ini-ensure niyo po na we're okay, lalo po sa mga activities natin, sa mga event natin. At sana po bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, good health, at more blessings po. Thank you, Attorney. Bye.
Attorney Babes, happy birthday. God bless. More birthdays to come. Thank you.
Tito,
Hello, Attorney. Happy birthday.
God bless.
Tornisan ng
Enjoy your day
load.
po.
Tornisan ng
Tatlong
load.
itlog.
Muna kami 3 itlog. Tornim, tara disco tayo. Dali.
Baka
Disco.
naman.
More than
naman.
3 step, Attorney.
Kampay, attorney.
Happy birthday po.
Happy
Love
birthday.
Hello po, Attorney Bebs. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and success always in life. So, happy birthday po. Salamat po. And enjoy your special day. Thank you po. Happy birthday po ulit from Shano family.
Happy